Adore. When we adore someone, it can mean that we love and admire them very much.
I'm actually babysitting Ashley's son right now.
I don't think I know, Ashley, but I really love babies.
I don't usually care much for babies, but I really adore this baby boy.
When we adore a baby or a pet, it is enjoyable just to think about how much we love them, or sometimes just to look at them, because we think they are adorable. There is something innately lovable about them, and we cannot help but love them. When we adore an adult, all of those things are also true, but we probably adore them because of their character, because of their actions, because of who they are as well. We can adore someone based on small things like the way a person talks or walks. Or we can adore people for bigger things, such as the way they treat other people or how hard they work to take care of their children. I adore my students because they work so hard to learn English, for example. Who do you adore and why? Answer in the comments below along with any other questions you have for me. This is 1 out of 10 synonyms for love. If you want to learn the other 9 synonyms and see this word used in the full skit, make sure to watch this video. This video will teach you 10 other words for love, and you will see the full skit. Go ahead. Go ahead and click it. Go ahead, clicky click. Clickety click click.